Here are 5 reasons why your company should invest in your privacy staff. Number 1, training will save your company time and money. With privacy staff resources stretched these days, training them to learn how to do PIAs, for example, will allow your staff to spend more time on other issues. Number 2, training will help show regulators, stakeholders, and your customers that you are serious about privacy. Number 3, it helps to build a culture of privacy by increasing awareness and privacy expertise throughout your organization. Number 4, people deserve to have and learn about the right tools to do their jobs properly. And number 5, it's a challenging market out there for employers. Investing in your staff will help retain them. And here's a bonus reason. Having staff know how to complete assessments correctly will lead to more efficient and effective decision making by providing decision makers, such as yourself, with better and more complete information. So, invest in your privacy staff. Learn more about our workshops at theprivacyproacademy.com.